So, hello. I just pulled up to Matt's house. I got a brand new baby. You know, when I'm gonna go on a vacation, I need them views. I need them crazy views. So that's what he's gonna teach me, because he got one. You don't know yet he's gonna teach me that, but he's going to do it right now.
Jehovah's Witness? No?
No. Oh my God. I'm gonna put this up. He said Jehovah's Witness.
We're not taking none. We don't want none of this.
I don't know, but he's about to show me this today.
Oh, that's why we're... Oh my God. I'm like, why are we recording today?
Why are we recording? Yeah, you're recording.
Where are we going? Where the fuck are we going?
We're staying here.
Hey, here, home is where the heart is.
Exactly.
Where the heart is. Welcome back to the Matt Cave.
The Matt Cave.
Everybody.
With the pool. We got a pool. It's too cold.
Big flex.
But big flex.
Big flex.
All right, he's gonna show me. Let's get ready. All right, so let's open it. I'm excited. It's my first drone. You got, how many you got? How many you got? This dude is sleep. How many do you have?
I have multiple. I have multiple drones. One FPV, one DJI like this one. This is the DJI Mini 2. It's legit. Super small. Look how small it is. It's bigger than your hand. It's not as big as my hand. Is it as big as your hand?
No.
It's smaller than her hand.
Smaller than my hand.
Floats in the air. Ooh, you know how to open it already.
You kind of show me.
Yeah, I showed you.
We're cheating a little bit.
Unfolds.
Unfold. Woo.
Really well. Nice, compact. Ready to fly.
All right, so zoom. So he told me we already did that part. He told me I need to take this off. That's the camera protector. There we go.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is that?
That's your controller.
That's my controller. And on here we're gonna put my phone, because you gotta control it with the app. So you gotta do the app, and then you open here. I forgot. Here you just pull.
Yep.
You just pull like this, and then you put your phone with the app. We already downloaded the app and created an account.
What is this? A YouTube tutorial? Like,
no.
You can find better YouTube tutorials.
It's not a tutorial,
somewhere.
but whatever.
We got a new toy.
And we're using it.
And we're using it. Period. That's it.
You are fucking funny. Yeah, he does it.
So.
I want to fly.
Can you put? Oh, you can't use copyrighted music, can you?
No, I cannot.
Just imagine, fly like an eagle.
I'm not sure they know that song.
You don't know Seal? What?
Oh, it's Seal. I know Seal, but I don't know all his songs.
But that's like the Michael Jordan Space Jam song. Come on now. Oh.
How are you gonna put this motherfucker? Want to put his code to unlock my phone? I was like, you know my code?
I'm so tired.
Well, it doesn't, because it didn't work. So here it is. All right. So now he told me a little bit about how to work the buttons.
Okay. First thing you do is turn on the drums.
We turn it on. It's
push and hold.
Push and hold.
There you go.
It's on.
Set it down.
There's the light. Did you hear the music?
I did. Did you? You gotta do the same with the controller.
Controller. It's on.
Wazzy.
And then there's they hit the thing. I don't know the words.
Joysticks.
Joysticks, and then you screw them on.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey.
All right. So tell me again the stuff.
That's simple.
So to get it up, pause. To get it up, you use this one up and down.
Yeah.
And then you go left and right. If you want to move, it's gonna move the drone on itself, kind of.
Yes.
And then this one is for going forward.
Yes.
And backwards.
Yes. And then side to side.
And side to side.
Yeah. Right stick is forward, backward, side to side. Left stick is altitude.
Okay. So I'm ready to go fly.
You're ready to fly.
That's it.
That's simple. You see, it says "Go fly"
Go
right
fly.
there.
Go fly.
And you press it. Oops.
Home point has been updated.
Home point's been updated. This is giving you some things to make sure. It's a pre-flight check, but we're checked in. Don't show again.
We're ready to go fly.
Boom. Hold up.
So that's the camera. Hey. All right.
All right.
Well, we're gonna go.
We're gonna go.
I'm nervous Because I'm scared to lose that shit. That shit too expensive for me to lose it.
We activated your
I don't know where to put this.
I'll hold it.
You're gonna hold it?
No, that makes sense. Yeah, I'll hold it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Or actually...
How are you gonna put it here to get it?
That's where you're supposed to go. What do you mean? Boom. Is this good?
A little high, yep. Okay. So, fuck, what is it again to take off? Or to turn it on? It was a thing.
Diagonal.
Diagonal, yes.
Well, I'll hold it. This makes more sense.
So I gotta go diagonal like this.
I guess I should record you.
There we go. And it's ready to take off. Let's go. Woo! That shit high as fuck. Let's go straight. Matt told me not to look at the drone, but I want to see it.
That shit gone.
You see it? Okay, I'm scared.
I don't know what you see.
We're not gonna go too far. So I wanted to
Hey, the mountainside. She's turning.
and now come towards me. Is it coming back?
No, it's going
No,
backwards.
it's going...
What are your fingers doing? Hey, rule number one. What is rule number one when you first start flying?
You look at this.
Only look at the screen. Never look up at the drone because you'll lose it anyway. Nice.
Come back a bit here. Why it's not listening to me. I want it to come. I'm so scared. Nope. Okay.
Oh, it's up there with the birds.
With the birds.
There it is. See, hey, there she goes. There's a bird flying with it. Don't look at it. Rule number one.
I'm trying to come back here.
All right. Don't look at it. You got to come back here on the screen.
I don't see where the house is.
Well, shit. You got to back up and figure it out.
I don't know. I don't see the fucking house.
All right. So here's another tip, pro tip. If you always want to come home, you can tell it to go home. Oh, you don't have Wi-Fi on this phone?
Oh my God, don't tell me.
Enable location to get it. Enable location. Damn.
It's already.
You got never on here.
Always.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
All right.
So we go here?
You click.
Is
Yeah,
it this one?
it's that one. That's to go home.
Land.
You don't want to land it because it's not home. Land. It just lands in the fucking in a
Return
pool.
home.
So yeah, you want to click and hold, return home instead of land. And then it gives you a little beep beep.
Come back, little baby.
It's going high. You see, that's us right there.
Where?
Right here. That's the pool.
Ah, I see it. It's coming back because I don't know how to get that shit back. I'm glad to have that option.
Yeah, you have to have that, but you really need to learn how to like fly.
Pretty much.
So it goes high because it goes to a certain altitude, an altitude where it thinks it's...
Strong wind warning. Aircraft unable to return to home automatically. Lower altitude immediately and return to home manually.
Now you got it. You're in the stick of it.
No!
Tap that button to cancel return to home because it's going to get caught in the wind. First thing, go down. Lower the altitude. There you go. Come down. Now I would, while you're coming down, keep going down. Don't stop.
Don't stop, baby.
While you're doing that, I would slowly turn it to that same down, slowly shift it, yep, so it's facing us, and keep coming down. Because you got to be somewhere close to us.
I hear it.
I hear it. All right, don't go too slow, because I hear it. Don't go too fast, because I hear it. Oh yeah, here we are.
Where?
We're up
right here, I see it.
I don't see it, hold up, where is it?
What do you mean, you don't see
There
it?
it is. Yeah, I see it. There she is. Look at the screen, not it. It's coming. Look at the screen and it'll come towards you.
But I don't know where I am.
No, well, you only can know where you are if you're at the screen. Stop looking at the things. Look at the screen. No, I see you. What are you doing?
I'm like,
No, only the screen. Turn around. Turn around. You should be looking at your back through the screen.
I don't know where I am. That's the problem.
All right. Think about it. Just look at your surrounding. What's the first thing you see? What house do you see?
Maybe that one over there. Is it?
I don't know. What do you see? What color is it?
I think
Yeah, it's white.
Is it?
Yeah, it looks like the house over there, huh?
Yes.
So that means you're facing which way? I don't mean to treat you like a child. So if it's on the left, so turn the thing to the right, turn your left joystick, twist yourself.
Toward myself.
Towards you, to the right, with your left. Oh, now what do you see? There it is.
I see us, okay.
There she goes, she sees us. So now come to us. This is a good practice. So now you're coming, but you're too high, so what do you gotta do?
Go down.
There she is. And down, there's the drone.
Ah!
Yo. Nice, nice. Coming in for a soft landing. Okay. There it is.
Oh my God, what a mess.
That's fire.
Oh my God, this is too
She
difficult.
did it. That's only drone 1. You need 10,000 hours to be an expert at
10,000
anything.
hours.
So you gotta keep going.
All right, well, we're done.
All right, no, back in the air. Let's go.
Oh my
Back in the air.
God.
You need two things you need to remember. One, we didn't press record. So all that cool shots you did. all
Oh,
those
on
cool-
here.
Yeah.
That's fine.
You gotta record your drone footage always.
Okay.
And then
So we go here.
Yep, you
on
go
the- No, on this one, right?
well, where's the memory card?
It's
Oh,
gonna be
I
on
gave
my
you an
phone.
SD card, huh? Yeah, it'll be on your phone. So you just click your phone. No, go away. Insufficient storage.
Okay, well. Oops.
Oh, no, you're
It's a
on
good
camera.
picture.
Remember, you got to click from camera to video. So it's red. There it is. And then you can, boom, now you're
Okay,
recording.
Now we're recording.
Now do one more, just up, diagonal. Yeah. That's it. She's in the air, she's airborne. Now just go somewhere where you want to see a sight. Look at that, she's seeing houses. What else? You're looking at the drone again.
Because
Look at your
I want
camera.
to see the fucking trees. I don't want it to be stuck in the tree.
You gotta, if you don't want to be stuck in the tree, you gotta know your surroundings. And how would you know your surroundings?
By looking at the
By
thing.
looking at the camera and twisting around to figure out
Okay,
where
we're
you
gonna
are.
go higher.
Okay, don't go too high because it's windy. I also didn't tell you this. There's a little button on the left side on the back that controls the camera.
Okay.
And the camera goes up and down. You see that little,
This
it's not a
up.
button, it's a wheel. Yep.
Okay.
So right, I think, is to go up, like pulling the wheel towards you. And pulling the wheel away from you puts the camera down.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fire. Okay,
Okay.
you did it.
I mean, flying is fine. It's getting that shit back. That's another story.
I mean, you gotta fly to get it back, so that must mean flying ain't fun. All right, cool. Let's go try to drop it in the pool.
No, sir. Coming back, I don't fucking know where we at. So I have no clue.
Do you see a pool in front of you? So press the wheel that I told you about, so you can control the camera. Look, you can look down. Hey.
Okay.
Stalker view.
Seriously.
And then turn. Yep. And again, okay, so you're facing a street. That looks like, that's not my pool.
That's not yours.
Okay, spy, get away from them. You gotta move it. So one thing, drone etiquette, you can't just stall over people.
Oh, okay.
Because it's kind of loud. We gotta move it in a way that you know where you're going.
I don't fucking know.
So press that map that I told you to press the first time we did it. There you go. And if you press it again. So look, that red line, follow that red line with the joystick. That is your way home. That red line takes you home.
Am I going home? Yes, I am.
No, you gotta turn it. You're
What
going
you mean?
sideways.
You told me I'm
You're going sideways with your right stick. You gotta steer with your left stick. There you go.
Oh, I got you.
And then follow the arrow. So now you push. No, you go forward.
I don't fucking know.
It's only day 1 and a half.
Day 1.
Day 1.
Ooh, that's my car.
That's your car, which means that must be my pool.
Yes.
And that's the hillside, which means that's where we are.
So we're here.
Legit.
I hear it.
And we hear it. And we see it too, don't we? Yep, there it is. And it's back. All right, now land that sucker.
Wait, how do I take the map off?
There's like a minimize button. Yeah. No, not that.
Ah!
Go fly. Okay, you just stopped recording, which is fine.
It's fine.
To turn the map off, you see that minimal on the, oh, that one, yep.
This?
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
Oh man, yeah. It's a bird. It's a plane.
What happened if your phone died?
And then it returns home automatically.
Okay.
Oh shit. There she is. Look at that. Clear to land. Hey. Flight number two. Hey, you are now 5 minutes into your 10,000 hours. You'll be a pilot soon enough. Aye,
You're done.
Captain.
I'm done. Goodbye.
Goodbye.